Hello sparkle lovers and welcome to my video. My name is Neta. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. I hope you will consider staying. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continuous support. Today we will see another unboxing of our Halloween kits, the second Halloween kit that will be released or was released, I'm not sure when this video will go up, on August 20th. I have a few things to say before we start. All our kits are made to order. They come from the supplier, which is in China, to me in Greece, and then I am preparing the boxes, making some adjustments and shipping them to my customers. That is why I was forced to close them shipping to the United States due to the new tariff situation that is going on there, meaning that there is a minimum custom fee for every order of $80 to $200. I think we are on a rate category of $80, but still that's too much. And in order to avoid difficult situations for you who are not aware yet, or to have to take them back here and refund you and do all this procedure. That's why until this issue is fixed, we will not be shipping to the United States. It's a measure that is announced to last for 6 months. I don't know, nobody knows if it will be that long or if the president will change his mind again, or what will happen after the 6 months he gave. I will not make a political conversation. I just wanted to let you know. So this is the box. This is the tray, the Excel tray with a stopper. You can choose to take with your kit if you want. It's optional. And it comes in different colors, random. I'm trying to have them come on, words, to be set with the artwork, but it's not always possible. But it's a very nice tray, and it's an XL large size for a very small additional price. In the side of the box you will see some information of what is included. You can ignore that because it will have different things. And on the back there are some instructions, both in images and describing how exactly you can diamond painting. Also, at the bottom of the box you have an image of the artwork and the SKU number. So I'm not showing it yet, I'm hiding it because I want it to be a surprise. So we have the SKU number and the thumbnail of the image, so you can store your box to the side to save space, and still know excuse me, what it will be inside. So let's get it open. As I said, this is one of the 2 Halloween releases for this August, and the other one, if you didn't watch the video, I will put the link up there to see it. This is smaller, it's a 50 by 50, very whimsical and very cute. Let's go first of the boxes contains what it is inside the boxes. First of all, you have the drills. They are pre-bagged in baggies, so you can start working right away if you don't want to keep up. This kit unprepared has 47 colors, including 3 ABs and 3 cubic dust. The basic tool is a basic tool with the standard pen, the old style, with a brass tip, a single placer on one side, and we also have 2 multi-placers, one for 4 and one for 7 drills. If you want to multi-place, you just put them on the other side and you are ready to go. You will have a squishy, a comfort grip, so your fingers don't hurt when you're placing the drills down, especially if you are a heavy pusher like I am. We have 2 pads of wax to fill up our pen so we can pick up your drills. Otherwise, you will not be able to pick them up if you don't use a substance like this or a putty. These are standard blue drills. To use them, you have to peel back the plastic. It has it in both sides, so it doesn't dry out. So you peel it back a little like this. You stab your pen on the wax, the single and the multi-placer, and you're ready to go. We also have a pair of metal tweezers. They are very pointy, so please be careful when you use them and always have this sleeve on so you don't stab yourself or poke an eye out. And we have a basic boat, a little tray to sort the drills. If you don't choose to get the extra large tray, that is optional, and it's the one I showed you before. Like to compare them, this is the optional tray you can choose with a stopper, and this is the standard. You see the difference, it's huge. So, yep. Nevertheless, this is still very good one to work on. I used those trays for a very long time before I get a 3D printed one. So this was the basic toolkit. We talked about the drills. We didn't say that all our kits come in both round and square. The round kits are grade A acrylic, but the square ones are resin, and they are very good quality. And we also get, we're almost ready to see them image. We also get sticker sheet with pre-cut labels to put either in your baggies, if you prefer to work from the baggies, or on your containers. You just peel them off, put them on the container, and you're good to go for very easy getting up. And also you have some instructions again on the sheet. This is just paper to keep it if you want to keep down later and have a reference. So are you ready to start work? There we go. Introducing you the Midnight Mischief. It's a very happy kitty, very cute, with some pumpkins and a pendant pumpkin color. You see we have a lot of oranges and blues and blacks. Of course we have a lot of black and a lot of 39. And let's see the canvas. And there we are. There she is, in all her glory. I will not go through the drills one by one. We will all see them the special ones and where they go, because it's really hard to put them back in the bag later. Let me open this and I will be right back. Okay, so are you ready to see what the special drills are doing? Let me sit down. Mama. So, first special drill is the letter L. It's an AB 225, and let's find it. Okay, we have it here on the bottom. It's in this area, on the corners, all on the bottom, all around here, on the area here, some sprinkled over there. So I will just put it there because it's mainly in the bottom corners, left and right. Then we have this orange AB 740, is the crescent moon, and we have it on the pendant, on her eyes, and I think that is it, not a huge amount. I will put it here. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere else. Then we have a darker orange 970 AB, and it is the letter G. So the letter G is all around this pumpkin. We will find a little sprinkled here on the sides, a little on her eyes, and the bottom here on the ground, and on the leaves of the tree that are next to the kitty. Everywhere you see orange, you will find this beautiful orange AB. I will just put it here for now. Then we have, this beautiful silver cupid dust. It is the letter F. We don't have a huge amount. We will find it here on her tail and the back, and wherever the light goes and gives this lighter white, almost white areas all around the cut. The silver, it's beautiful. Now this dark blue GG 823 cupid dust, navy blue, is the half circle, and it is all around her face. It is a checkerboard, almost. It's not in big chunks. All around her face, and next to this purple you see, there is this symbol, and also here in her body and her paws. And on her ears. And last but not least, the Cupid Dust 3863, it's a tan color, and it is the letter R. And we will find this it's peppered around the cut where the branches are. We don't have a very large amount, but on the branches you will find this tan color. It's mostly here, so we'll put it there. So yes, this is Midnight Mischief. I didn't say I didn't talk about the canvas. As you see, it already laid flat. I didn't have to roll it back. You can do that if you want to help it straighten faster, but I really don't mean. Just leave it down for a couple of minutes and it will be totally flattened out because it's very thick silk flannel. It's very soft on the back, short linked. It has scalloped and poked edges. We have the logo on the top center, a thumbnail and a legend both sides of the canvas, and on the bottom you can see the SKU number, the size 50 by 50, the trill type. This is the square, and it's resin square. The name of the artwork is Midnight Mischief, and the creator is Botbrush Studio. And on the other side you find all our socials and the website. Trying to remember if I have anything else to say about this kit. I don't think there is something else to say, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this Halloween kit. You can find it in our store, and on the description down below you can find a discount code you can use to get it in a lower price, to have 10% off on your order, and also you can choose if you want or not a larger tray. Until next time, and the next kit, we have 2 more to see for this release, so we will see them soon. So take care, don't forget to shine, and I will see you next time. Bye!